want to eat the KFC.
No, your mom and your dads are so furious that they said there won't be KFC today.
But I like KFC.
Nathan, what do you say? Do you want to go home now or want to have a KFC?
I want to have KFC.
You want to have KFC? You must ask Lucas that, okay? Aputea, okay? Lucas, are you happy or sad?
Happy.
Happy. Happy to go home.
Let's hide for mommy. Let's hide for mommy and my daddy.
Yes, hide it down. Biru, I don't lam don't choose here. Ano? Ang biru ano shuai ang lawa. Ang biru ni. Don't make any noise, okay? Otherwise, they'll find you here. So, ang chicken ngayon doon. Ang chicken na?
Beef.
Beef.
You want beef chicken? I'm sorry, there's no beef chicken here.
So sorry.
What do you want?
Pork.
Ethan?
Pork. Pork.
Pork is not chicken.
Grilled fish. Barbecue fish. Barbecue. Let's some barbecue. Go and get it.
Yeah,
I
chicken
want
to make
chicken.
base.
I want barbecue chicken. I want barbecue.
Say
Barbecue
please,
chicken.
Auntie Remy. Say please to Auntie Remy.
Please.
Bag her.
Please.
Say pretty please.
Pretty please. Pretty please.
Okay, what chicken do you want? A big one or a small one?
Big one.
Big one. Like the one you just ate.
Yes.
You want something else?
No. No, we want meat.
Only meat.
Yes. That is not spicy. Yeah. Go and get it. You're not getting it. Pretty please. Come on. Please. You have to say pretty please.
Say pretty
You're
please.
treating me as if I'm your mom.
Pretty please.
Okay,
Say
while I go
mom.
clean this up. Okay.
Say
Else I
mommy.
won't get anything.
Say mommy. Mommy please.
Mommy, please.
I am not your mommy. Okay, clean this up.
Who will clean this? Us.
The shopkeeper. The shopkeeper, and you know how to clean. What is your not?
What are you doing, Nathan?
That's it.
Okay, please sit down. Come back. People are staring at you. It doesn't look nice. Come.
Is it people are scaring us?
Yes, because your brother is way too playful. Come. Nate.
Fireman Nathan.
Fireman Nathan, come.